The King James as well. What do you think about the NIV?
I don't agree with it.
I don't agree with it too. They changed a lot of verses in it, right?
Right. Thousands of words they can change in all these different versions. Add to and take away.
Yeah. I saw that they even took some verses out. And even the Jehovah's Witnesses and the New World Translation, they took it, the Son of Man out. They took a lot of verses out. So you go with the 1611, the original, huh?
Right.
I like that. Yeah.
Translation into English.
That's true.
Yours is in Arabic.
Yeah.
So you know that hasn't been through translation.
100%. I like you. Yeah.
But the translation is important for God-fearers because they aren't going to go, well, this one's okay, I'll pick and choose out of that what I want. It's not that kind of God that I want to follow.
I agree.
The one that preserves His truth.
100%.
And it's holy, it's pure, and it isn't going to change on you.
I like you. What's your name?
It builds your faith because you believe it.
What's your name?
You may not understand it, but He brings understanding as you grow in it.
Monty, I believe in a God that preserves His text, not one that is changed and updated and standardized and all this revision. Like nowadays, you see people changing even the faith, right? Yes. Now you see churches with rainbow flags, and you see people changing the faith when the real faith should be as it was revealed, right?
Yeah, it's good you're saying that.
I'm with you.
Churches are getting corrupted.
100%, bro.
Thinking, oh, it'll be more appealing.
Forget appealing. Stick to what's right, right?
It's not right, and it's not going to be appealing to God.